So these are simple start cards that allow us to control the conveyor. They're basically drive cards for two zones with a sensor port and a motor port that allow our conveyors to program quickly and automatically have that conveyor logic function. This is our simple start model. This is a bit of an older model. It uses these more outdated connectors with these like 9-pin motor port connectors and these JST sensor connectors. We tend to shy away from this a little bit more. These days we use the Simple Start Green. It's got more modern M8 connectors. It can be washed down and it has more programming features that we can customize for whatever needs of the customer. Additionally, it has a logic and motor power port, so we can easily include safety features as well without having to shut down power completely to the cards. So this is just, some of the differences and why we're switching to this technology more.